Me say that the biggest, that the security, they are the best since sliced bread. Me say the best blood clot security. Me say if I did ever Madsus before the man reach for the stage and come off. Me say Madsus no left Cartel not even a hinge. All when Cartel say Madsus the artist come off the stage. Madsus says I want to teach you. Me a protect you. You are my father. Me a protect you. Before they run up on the stage and push you down. You see say you're weak. Me there have to kick off the boy them off the stage. Go over do your song them on top meds me. And just know say me there protect you. Me know say when time blood clot so see this. He can't go show a Cartel. I said, Daddy, you see what me a talk about? You see what me a talk about? This is the reason why me walk up and down back of you on the stage, so. Because if a man run on by you, you're not strong enough to kick him and thump him. So me that if you lend you a hand and lend you a foot in a mouth. Eh? Look and burn now. If a me kick him, people don't just say, oh, sus kick him. I wouldn't you kick him. And me go over and go ram a kick in my mouth and ease him up off my stage. And teachers are real talk, you know man, sus. A real talk. Yes! Sus forget a blood clot award for when you do a Freedom Street. If right now you take away loyalty from Shawn. Believe. Shawn you have to walk back for. Shawn what you did there? Rick James, the blood clot. Come on, looking like Rick James, the blood clot. Eh? Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. I saw you come out and look, you know. That's why you never out there protect Cartel. Because you come out and look like blood clot Rick James, bro. You see me? You come out as a fashion statement. As me say up, me start sing, give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Mr. As me say up, Mr. Rick James. I mean, know that they did not go for. So you couldn't be Madsus. Because sus they are right. In black and white, the dog look like men in black. The dog look like when I security them were protecting blood clot president. Mr. Cartel, if Cartel poop, so smelly. Me say if Cartel cough, I know sus is. Me say if bro, sus have a loyalty card now. Rick James, work back feet. Give it to me, baby, look your ass. Bumbuckle out there. What you want, so? Oh, give it to me, baby. Give it to me. The dog come out and look like 1983 or 4. I don't know what is wrong with the dog. I don't know. So, we reach at the final topic. The topic here is sensitive. One heap of people are going to agree, some are going to agree. Me hear Beanie Man come out with a lashing the other day now. Because you know how Beanie state, right? Cartel go up on stage and say, him do 3 term when no boy, I say him know him is solid. Him solid as a king. Because he run the place out of jail. He run the place in a jail. And when the dog forward back, he will rain like a wow. The dog not lie. You see me? Beanie never do that. Beanie need to get a grip on your blood clot self. 17 years you know by each song. 17! The last if I floor against wall, we fuck them out till them call me. I'm the girls them sugar that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Your last blood clot hit song that. I want to argue with me. Cause that's true. That your last blood clot time up a billboard, hotness, all of that. And then what I did say, hello, and we say, rain. I begs you never got blood clot Freedom Street to go sing Gaza, me say. What me say, you say, Gaza, me say, who you say, I'm Gaza. You never get your chance and your moment, Beanie. And you hear your feelings. The crown change. No, we don't have yours with Dan. No, we don't have yours with DJ. This is a different generation king. King of the 90s, you BMG. Who over there, sir? Who in a fluid generation, I'm going to say Beanie and DJ. Yo, with a laugh over here. Oh. Dini, I don't know we DJ in that generation. Yeah. No we in this generation. No we no say. My mother and my father, them they one different generation, me G. You're king for them. You're not king for we. Bad man, we not dress like you, we dress like cartel. All of we dress like Bumbuckler cartel. You ever see we are dressed like you, we are Dini? Our cartel make you all of we are big class, the worst way. Bad man, straight jeans, bad t-shirt. Easy yourself, the man a pioneer boy, ya bro. Our cartel make y'all suck with brawling. He man a king youth. In a whole heap of things. What was the movement where you did carry? You never carry no movement more than you had the girl them sugar. The amount of things the cartel do in a dance hall. Make girl a suck good. Make a girl and tap fuck in a school bus. All of them little blood class sitting there. A cartel make you all the way bleaching. A cartel make bleaching famous. Cartel say bleach and we say alright. When cartel say extension we do it. Cartel are the pioneer. We'll go so boom and create the style and we use them. Are we king that? At that generation they have we king that, my boy.